now I see I owe it all to you. Cause you know, man, I know all that you went through. That's why I get offended when they don't acknowledge you. Just like a man who stands proud of his new son. See, I'ma scream and tell the whole world what you done. See, every day when I pray, I let you know I love you. And if I die today, I can't complain about nothing. You bless me with 2 hands and 2 eyes and 2 feet, a mouth so I can speak, and some teeth so I can eat. You jealous about who I am and complain of what you not. Well, Jesus is the reason that I have all that I got. If you want it, come and get it, cause I got it right here. It's written in the word, Jesus made it plain and clear. If you ask, you shall be given. Seek it, you shall find. Just knock, it shall be open. That's how I got mine. See, the Bible is just full of all kind of information. That's why I praise God for giving me salvation. It's not about me. I came to testify that I've been set free. I gotta give praise to my G.O.D. I once was blind, but now I see. I owe it all to you, cause it's not about me. I came to testify that I've been set free. I gotta give praise to my G.O.D.